Listen to the sound with heart. Feel the speed with your heart. And create safety. No matter how noisy the world is, we must always keep our minds focused. Creation and disruption, sweat and tears, effort and glory and dreams. All of this stems from cherishing life and care for the environment and self-transcendence. Every journey to safety and comfort, every tire carries the responsibility and mission of Jinyu. Adapting to the complex and changing environment, and explore the voice in users' hearts. Continuous attempts and challenges, only to find the best solution. All the time, we have never changed. Strict raw material selection standards, advanced manufacturing equipment, stable process control, and an excellent team. More than 50 processes are strictly checked, every detail, only to make customers more satisfied. Along the way, it's they who have joined us. From hesitation to trust, from cooperation to win-win. Because the pursuit of quality and efficiency never stops. In the future, we will continue to partner with customers and the market, pursuing the best value and experience, continuous innovation, endless innovation.